Oh, day 15 of the 15-day fingerstyle challenge. This one is called Candlelight. But I'm going to throw in a couple bonus days. So get through this video and then stick around for another couple days because you're really not going to want to miss what I have coming up. Hi, I'm Terry, and day 15. If you haven't done so already, maybe you're starting with this video. Make sure to go to ukulelethepros.com, check that link below. Get this entire course for free, the entire 15-day fingerstyle challenge course, all the videos in one place, really keeps it easy. All the backing tracks, all the downloadable and printable sheet music and tab as well. So, man, 15 days, this is day 15. This is our final song, but as I mentioned, we do have a couple bonus days coming up after this, so those are going to be really cool. I'm not going to tell you what those are, but you definitely want to check those out. All right, let me play just a little bit of this and then we'll dive into it. So this is going to take what we worked on in day 14, which is the thumb and then the 3-finger pinch. It's going to be that alternating back and forth. I do have a high G here, and I think it sounds cool on the high G. Low G totally works fine as well. Okay, we're going to have a few more chords, though, than what we did in day 14. It's going to start on this G minor, though. This is the same. So we're going to G minor here, up here on the 5th fret, 5, 6, and 7. We're going to hit the thumb on the 4th string, and then fingers 1 on 3, the middle on 2, and the ring on 1. And we're just going to do the pinch, a 3-finger pinch. Just kind of pull those fingers into your hand. You want them all to sound nice and even. Okay, so it's going to go thumb, pinch, 2, and... But each chord is actually only going to get 2 beats. So it's going to go on the G minor, 1 and 2 and. Then I'm going to slide my shape down to the 3rd fret to the F chord here. And you'll notice that your 1st finger and your 3rd finger will remain the same. So here's your G minor, you're going to slide it down, keep those the same, and then you're going to add your pinky to the 2nd string, 5th fret. You're going to do the same thing, thumb, pinch, Then you're just going to take this shape and slide it down 2 frets, now on the 1st fret. This is E flat, you can do the same thing, 1 and 2 and. Now check this out, when we get to the next chord, the D, we're just going to take our shape and slide it down. You can take off your 1st finger and just use fingers 3 and 4. That way you don't have to refinger anything, and then you hit that again. All right, so that's it. So that's the first, that's the main part of the song, but let's go ahead and do that. Go back to your G minor. Here we go. Ready, and it's 1, and down to the F, E flat, and D. Then you're actually going to do that one more time. Let's go ahead and just do it now. Ready, and. All right, so now the last part is going to be this. No new chords there. It's going to go, remember you just left in the D, you're going to go back to the E flat, you're going to do that. Now slide back to the D again, back to E flat, and then slide up to F. Okay, so that's just the final couple measures there. Okay, so here we go. Let's start. E flat D, E flat F. Ready, and... Now the first time, that's the first time through, we're actually going to repeat, and it's exactly the same. Nothing changes, just going to do it twice. We won't do it now, but we'll do it when we do the backing track. But then you're just going to end simply on a G minor chord, the same chord that we start off. And you do, again, if you've been watching these videos, I've been doing this fast arpeggio at the end. Just kind of adds a nice, smooth way to end the chord. Okay? Thumb, I, M, A, but just really nice. It's like a roll. All right, so you're going to do that twice. So let's go ahead now. let's do all of that, remember, with the repeat and the slow backing track. 1, 2, 3, and... Now this is hard to do, at least hard for me, sliding up and down with these chord shapes without a strap. So as I noticed, and I mentioned this in yesterday's video, is I'm putting a little bit more pressure on my forearm against the ukulele and holding it against my body a little bit more to take any kind of pressure off my hand, and it allows it to move up and down the neck a little bit more. So a strap would do that for you. But I'm enjoying this challenge and playing without a strap for these particular pieces. So, all right, you know what's coming. We're gonna do the same thing now. We're just gonna bump it up and do it with the fast backing track. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations! You have made it through the 15-day Fingerstyle challenge. This has been amazingly fun for me to write and record and be part of this journey with you. You deserve a lot of credit if you've stuck it out, disciplined yourself every day, do these challenges, even if they're hard, even if you can't necessarily do them with the fast backing track, but you stuck with it, you're learning, you're growing. You can take everything you learn now, you can apply it to your own songs, your own arrangements, pop songs, rock songs, whatever you want to do. These are the skills that are needed, and you also have 7 great songs that you can play out. All right? Now, do all things good have to come to an end? And I'm going to say no. We're going to continue this challenge 2 more days, okay? We got 2 more things coming up, okay? You're not gonna wanna miss them. They're gonna be very cool. Just stick around. We're gonna do something for day 16, really, would it be? We'll just call it a bonus day, and then something very special at day 17, or bonus day 2, really, after that. So congratulations. I hope you had a great time. I wanna hear your comments, but like I said, we got 2 more bonus days coming up.